If you have orders coming in from somewhere other than your integrated sales channel, it's simple to create them in Ordoro. Some users may need to create manual orders to track wholesale orders or phone orders or orders from a third party. Within Ordoro, you can easily enter these orders one by one, and we also have the option to create them in bulk via our data import feature. So this tutorial is just going to demonstrate how to create an order manually or in bulk. So to get started, let's go with the manual version. What we'll do is go to the orders section, and right within here, there's this create order option. So we'll select create order, and here it'll pop up. It's just this blank empty order, and it's populated with an order ID that's basically a date and time stamp. So it also has the same order date of the current day, and then we can fill out the rest. You can definitely change that order ID to be anything you want, or you can leave it as that timestamp. Order date, you can set it, maybe it's a future order or a past order that you're entering. Requested ship method, you can enter that in here so that if you have any automation rules that automatically do the requested ship method and applying the ship method, set that up there. Any notes on the order, you can go ahead and apply any tags to it. And then for the shipping address, right here you'll see you can search for a name. So if you're needing to search to send something to someone you've already shipped to before, search their name and you can pull that up and it'll automatically populate all their information. Or you can type it all in manually if it's a new customer. There's a billing address here too. It's not required, but you can fill it out, or if you want it to be same as the shipping address, you can select that box and it'll pre-fill it for you. And then basically we just need to add the items to the order. So to add them to the order, we'll go into this search bar and start searching for something. If you have the items next to you, if you're creating it that way, you can also scan the barcodes on the items to search for them here to pull them up quickly. So then from here, we'll just go ahead and search for the items that we want to add them to the order. We can adjust the quantity. We can put any additional details. We can adjust the item price or leave that alone if we want it to be just whatever that set price is. We can also add things like product, the discount. If there's a discount on the order, you're giving them some sort of discount. Shipping and handling costs, taxes if it's a customer that you need to tax. And then once you have all of that set and you're all good with the order, you'll just hit create order. And this is going to go ahead and process through and create this order in your Ordoro account so that you can go ahead and create shipping labels or do whatever you need for it. So you'll see here I've got my order pulled up. I put that requested ship method as express, so it ran through my automation rules and tagged it as express. It's basically is ready to go here. So that's how you create it manually. You just want to go over that real quick again. Go to orders and hit create order and enter that information. Really super simple. Now, if it's something that you maybe have a wholesale customer, maybe you're drop shipping for them, or it's a non-integrated sales channel, anything like that where you have a lot of orders you need to enter, obviously it could get time consuming to manually enter them. So if you have them in a spreadsheet format, you can definitely use that as well by going to our data import and selecting create orders. You'll just find that file, drag and drop it in here, make sure all the mapping is correct. And if it's wholesale orders, you can totally give them this format. You can export the example file. I'll show that in a second. So that they can always fill it out in that format and you don't have to worry about doing any mapping here. And then just verify columns to upload those and go through the data import process. If you want to get that example file, you're just right here in the main data import page with create order selected, you'll select download an example file. That'll get you your example file so that you can provide that for your wholesale customers or anything like that. But pretty simple. If you do have any questions, though, feel free to reach out to us and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.